Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Quick reminder before we get started to please like, subscribe, and share this channel with someone you think would enjoy it. That all really helps us out. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 78. If we start with this bottom row, we're missing 1, 4, and 5. We've got 4s covering this box and this box, so our 4 must be here. We've got a 1 here, so 5, 1. For this box now, we're missing 1, 6, and 8. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here, but I don't see any other help, so 6, 8, 6, 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 3 and 4. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 4. For this box now, we're missing 3, 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 3 and 7 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 3, 6, 7. 6 here, so 3, 7, 8. And same here, 3, 7, 8. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 7. We've got a 7 here and a 5 here, so 2, 3. 3 here, 5 here, so 2, 7. 2 here, 7 here, so 3, 5. 2 here, 3 here, so 5, 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 here, so 2, 3. 8 here, or 5 and 8 here, so 2, 3. No help here. 2, 3, 5, 8. 3 here, so 2, 5, 8. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, 8, and 9. We've got a 9 here, 1 here, so 2, 8. 9 here, 8 here, so 1, 2. 1 here, 9 here, so 2, 8. 1 here, 8 here, so 2, 9. But now if we look, the only place our 9 can be in that box is here, and the only place our 1 can be is here. For this row now, we're missing 2, 3, and 7. The 2 and 3 have to be here or here, so this must be our 7. For this box, we're missing 2, 5, 6, and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 6, 7. 7 covering all 3 of these boxes, so 2, 5, 6. 7 and 6 here, so 2, 5. 5 and 7 here, so 2, 6. That means that our 7 has to be here. I'm looking at this column here. The 2 can't be here or here, so it must be here, and that 2 makes this our 8. Now we can get rid of this 2 and this 8. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 covering both of these boxes. I don't see any other help. So 2, 5, 9. Same here. 2, 5, 9. If we look at this top row, we're missing 2, 4, 6, and 8. We've got a 2 here, a 4 here, and a 6 here, so this is our 8. Six here, so 2, 4. 4 here, so 2, 6. Now if we look in that row, the only place our 4 can be is here. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 9. We've got a 1 covering both of these boxes, so our 1 must be here. Don't see any other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. For this column, we're missing 1. Oh, that 8 makes this our 6. That 6 makes this our 8, 6. So now we can get rid of this 6 and this 8. And if we look at this row now, the only place our 8 can be is here. All right. So back to this column, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 1 here, so 9, 1. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 2, 3. No help here, 2, 3, 5. For this row, we're missing 5, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 covering both of these boxes, so our 8 has to be here. We've got a 6 here, so 5, 6. Now we can get rid of this 5. And that means the only place our 5 can be in this row is here. If I look at this column, the only place the 7 can be is here. And that 7 makes this our 3. 7 makes this our 2, 3. 3 makes this our 5, 7. Now if we come up here, we can get rid of our 2's. This 3 makes this our 2, 3. And that 2 makes this our 6, 2, 5, 6. That 5 makes this our 9, 5. That 9 makes this our 2, 9. That 2 makes this our 3, 2. For this box now, we're missing 1, 2, and 8. We've got a 1 and 8 here, so this is our 2. We've got an 8 here, so 1 and 8. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.